The day to remind you that Kenyans last year will spend 766 billion kwa betting, na hiyo ilikuwa more than the budget of health, infrastructure and education. 766 billion, that is 2.1 billion a day, 88 million every hour, and 24,000 every second. So next time you have that urge feeling of betting, remember that the company is there to take money. The system is rigged to take money from you, not you to make money from it. Ama celebrities wasikuzie hii kitu nao wenyewe wa bet. We have seen a lot of people committing suicide because of betting, and the government still up to now haijaifanya kwamba betting addiction is a crisis in Kenya, because we cannot spend that huge amount of money, 766 billion. So it means those betting companies, they are making a lot of money out of our pockets. Wajua watu wengi waga na bet kwa sababu wanaamini it's the easiest way to get rich, but apparently we've seen a lot of people, broken marriages, suicides and frustration, depression, deep in debts. Wengine wamepelekana mpaka jela sababu ya betting. Kwanza kuna hii aviator. You all need to be careful with the aviator. Unaweka pesa afu unaona ndege kanaenda shua, unasikia moyo inauma. You all need to be careful. Remember the 2024 data. It was 766 billion the whole year 2024 to spend, which is 2.1 billion every day tuko tuna spend kwa betting, which is 88 million every hour tuko tuna spend kwa betting, which is 24,000 every second tuko tuna spend kwa betting. Don't forget that.